In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos automatically, as well as wrappers and progress bars to your videos easily as well. Hey there, Cham here, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I create videos like this. So I'll be showing to you 3 tools that you can use in order for you to do this. The first one is Covrr Studio, the second one is Zubtitle, and finally Wave That Video. So let's start with Covrr Studio. So this is the dashboard of Covrr Studio, and for me to start, I can either drop my files here or click here to browse files from my computer. And right now, let me just drop this video where I talked about how to shoot talking head videos like a pro. And so let me just click and drop it here. And as you can see, it's currently uploading it. And this might take a few minutes or so. So let me just pause this video and come back once this video is uploaded. Alright, so as you can see, the video is done uploading. So the next step here is to create wrapper. So let me just click this button right here. There we go, and as you can see, I can click here to start from a blank template, but as you can see, there's a bunch of ready-made templates here that I can simply choose and customize however I wanted it to be. So let's try this one right here. So let me just click use this template. So as you can see, there's a bunch of things that I can do here. I can click this text, for example, and change it to any text that I want. Awesome. And then check this other one, and example, I can say headline, something like that, and I can add a space right there, or maybe just click and drag and position them wherever I want, something like that, for example. And then the next thing that I wanted to do is add a caption to my video, and I can do that by scrolling down here at the left side and then click this one that says captions. And as you can see here, it already automatically added those captions for me, and if I want, I can still go over them and maybe add any corrections if there are some things that I need to correct. So I can simply play this audio. For example, as you can see there, the word years has a wrong spelling, so I can correct that, something like that. And then I said cham here, but it says chapter, so let me also correct that. So there we go. I can still go ahead and add any corrections necessary to make sure that your caption goes with what you're saying. And of course, I can play this until the end, but that can take time. So just for the sake of this demo, let me just end it there. So once I'm done with everything, I can just simply click generate captions, or as you can see here, if you have your own SRT file, you can also upload that. But right now, let me just click generate caption. And as you can see here, it's added to the queue, and I will get an email notification once the caption is generated. And yep, I received an email telling that my captions are rendered. So let's go back to Covrr Studio and then simply click apply, and it says my captions are added. But as you can see, it went here right in the middle. So for me to align that properly, I can go here to edit caption, and here I can choose the position where I wanted to add my caption, and I wanted to add it below. So let me just click this arrow below and then click apply, and then close this one. And as you can see, it's now added below. So what I can do is now click these things right here and delete them, because I rather wanted my captions to appear right here below. So as you can see, there's my caption right there, and it's nice and clean. So what else can we do here? Well, we can also go here to bars, and we can also add a progress bar to our video, which is something that encourages viewers to continue watching, and they can see their progress while they are watching your video. So let's try this first one right here. Let me just click and drag it here, and I can position that wherever I want, maybe somewhere here. Aside from that, you can also go here to images, and let's say you want to add your branding to your video. You can also upload your logo. So let me do that. I can click here to upload image, and let me just add this logo, for example. So let me just click and drop that here, and there it is. It's already uploaded. So let me just click and drop that here to my canvas, and as you can see, I added that as my logo branding, and I can position it wherever I want, maybe here on top of the corner, or maybe below that. Let's try here on top. And then what else can we do here? We can also go here to shapes, and in case you want to add more shapes to your video, you can do that as well. You can also go here to emojis, and just to add some more font to your videos. And let's say, for example, I want to add this emoji right here. Again, I can place it here on the video itself, or I can also add it either at the headline or here together with the caption. Let's add one more, and maybe one more emoji here as well, something like that. Then I can also go here to timer, and I can also add a timer. So again, this is something unique with this one, and I haven't done this myself yet, but yep, this is also a great way to add more engagements to your video. So let's probably add it here, for example, and there we go. I can click preview and see how that looks like. Actually, let's just publish it, and there we go. It says I'll also receive an email once the render is complete. And so while waiting for that, let me show you some other options that you may want to consider. And the next one is Zubtitle, and you probably watch their ads appearing on Facebook newsfeed each and every time, which is this one. And so I actually signed up for a free account, so let's check it out as well. And so I'm here now in the dashboard, and by the way, if you check their pricing, as you can see, they have a free trial wherein you can try the program and add subtitles and such to a single video. And if you're ready to continue and do more, you can subscribe at $19 per month, and you can do so for 10 videos per month, and then $49 per month for 30 videos per month. And I don't know, it's a bit pricey to be honest, but let's check it out. I'll go here again to my videos, and let me try to add a new video, and let me again try to upload this video right here. So it's currently uploading, so let me just pause this video and come back once this is done. Alright, done uploading, and now it's extracting audio tracks. And by the way, I just want to say that the upload speed to Zubtitle is a lot faster than Covrr Studio. My uploading to Covrr Studio earlier took some time, so this is where this app is better than Covrr Studio. So let me just finish this transcription of audio and come back once this is finished. Alright, so the transcription is done, and again I can go here and edit the transcription further. So for example, here I can say how to shoot. So there we go. And what I like about it is that you can actually preview the transcription inside your video while you're editing it, which is also nice. And again, here using professional, it says juice, but I said juice, so let me just change that. And again, it appears automatically here to my video, which is also nice. So let's say I'm done editing all my captions. I can then go here to style video, and I can choose an aspect ratio, whether I want it to be like this, and my captions will just appear like that, or I can also go here and choose a square format, and there we go. I can add the caption below instead. And then here I can add a headline. And here, I like it that it automatically chose the file name of my video, which is also good. And then for the background color, I may want to change that if I want, but I guess I want to go for black for now. And then here I can also fine-tune the position of my headline and all that. I can also go here and upload my own logo, and let me just choose this one for example, and there it is. And I can position it again wherever I want, maybe just somewhere here below, something like that. And then here I can also add a progress bar, and there we go. So there it is, and I can click here and change whatever color that I want, and I can also position that wherever I want. So maybe somewhere here for example, and maybe for this one I can go for the color of my branding, go for blue for example, and find the color that matches my brand right there, which is this one. There we go. And yep, I gotta say that when it comes to editing the title, captions, and progress bars and all that, I like the UI of Zubtitle so much better than Covrr Studio. Although what I like about Covrr Studio is that you can also add some more things like emojis and timers and all that. Although again, when it comes to the workflow and the UI and editing, I gotta admit that Zubtitle is so much better and the UI is much more professional. And once I'm done with this, I can now go here to download and click here to render and download my video. And like I said earlier, the cost might be a bit pricey, but well, if you do videos a lot and you make money from your videos anyway, I can say that it's really worth it. Or if you want to do this as a service to clients, a single client can already pay for the monthly bills that you have to pay for this one. So this is a service that you can either provide at Fiverr or in your own website, and you can charge like I don't know, like $50 per video or to $100 or so. And I can tell you that there are businesses out there who are willing to pay for such a price for video transcriptions like this one. And I remember I got a client that needed me to do this for him, and he had a lot of videos. I actually made a lot of money from that service, and during that time I don't have a tool like this one yet, and I had to do that manually. So right now, if you have this tool and you have a client like that who will give you, a lot of videos for you to add captions and headlines like this, then I can tell you that a tool like this is really worth it. Alright, so that's how Zubtitle works. So let me now show you the final tool that I want to show in this video, which is Wave.video. And of course, Wave.video is not for merely adding captions. This is an app that you can use to create different kinds of social videos and whatnot, but let me show you how to use this to add captions to your videos automatically as well. And just to save time, let me now show you this video that I did before, wherein I added that caption. So let me now click edit video, and if I go here to captions, as you can see, again, I can come here and edit any caption in specific time frame, and I already did that. So this caption is already good. So if I play this, as you can see, what I like about Wave.video is that it's also adding those colors whenever those part of the caption is being spoken. So this is what separates this as well from those two tools that I showed you earlier. Although for this one, you cannot use it to add wrappers and progress bars and whatnot. What I did here is that I created the captions automatically here, and then I rendered the video. And then it is here inside Adobe Premiere Pro where I did my headline, and I also added emojis below plus my logo right there. So this is a workflow that you can do if you have your own video editing tool. Like for me, I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, but of course you can do this with any other tools like Camtasia, Filmora 10, and any other video editing softwares out there. And this is my workflow because I want to have more control and do things in my own. But again, this is just me, and it's up to you if you want to follow this workflow as well. If not, if you want to do things automatically and just do everything in a certain software, then you can consider either Covrr Studio or Zubtitle. And the good thing about Covrr Studio is that the time I'm recording this video, they now have this special launch period wherein you can get this app at a very low one-time fee. Like what I showed you earlier, you can add captions automatically and progress bars, emojis, shapes, and even add your own logos and whatnot. Although this is a new app, and as of right now, the uploading and the rendering is taking some time, and maybe that's because they are still in the early part of development, but I'm sure that they will soon improve the upload speed and rendering time later on. But if you're already ready to invest into something and you're serious in doing this and you want to provide this as a service, then I highly recommend that you may check out Zubtitle as well. So as you can see, that's how to add captions and wrappers as well as progress bars to your videos easily to make your videos a lot more engaging. And I highly recommend that you check out Covrr Studio right now because they have this special launch and they are giving a big discount, and you can get this app at one-time fee at a very affordable price. So for you to get this app, just click that button below this video. If you're watching this on my blog, if you're watching this on YouTube, just click that link in the description below. And if you grab this app through my link, as always, I will give you amazing bonuses. And you can check those bonuses right below this video on this page. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Chem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.